Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford stroker engine, 475 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's Everett Morrison Cobra replica. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we've got the 408 Ford stroker engine, double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft. Aluminum cylinder heads are on there. Painted the black with the brass freeze plugs. Proper oil pan for the Cobra. Rear sump Canton Racing oil pan. Chrome dipstick and tube. Got the black ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Cobra valve covers and breather. Matching Cobra air cleaner. Aluminum intake manifold. We have the distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Holley Sniper fuel injection on there, throttle return spring and bracket, and throttle cable ball. The Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in and set. The menu screen. Every engine at the engine factory is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. You'll see the manifold vacuum, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be set. Plug and play, ready to go. We have the proper flex plate. Customer's running a AOD transmission. It's a proper balance and tooth count for the 408 stroker. We have the manifold vacuum fitting in there for easy vacuum hookups. All the heavy duty Russell fuel line going up to the Holley Sniper fuel injection all set. It's real nice power steering pump on here. We have the alternator on there, 140 amp alternator, one wire hookup, high flow aluminum water pump. It's a proper pulley kit for the Cobra. Everything's mounted up high for chassis clearance. Belt tension set. We have the heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt on there. Thermostat housings in there, thermostat. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. Complete custom built engine, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.